Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a Glassdoor account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website looking like this. Now you can see here your work people are here. Create an account or sign in. By continuing, you agree to our terms or use and privacy policy. So basically you can go and sign in here with Google or with Facebook. Or you can of course continue with mail. For this video, the sake of this video, I'll be creating an account with mail. So the first thing you need to do of course is type your email here. Now when you do that, you just need to click the continue with email button. And now you of course need to set a password. Now, when you do that, you just need to click on create account and basically your account is created. Here you can see you have a lot of different, you can save your password of course, and you just need to go and wait for this to load. When you go to this application, so you have to see what's your job status, unemployed, employed, or student. You got to put whatever you want. Then you can put your college, university, whatever, or if you're employed, yeah, in all of these cases you have to put a desired job, so what you want to have as a job. So for instance, we can put a program manager or something like that. Click next. Okay, again, you have to put it in here, click next, and your account will be then job location. Now when you did that, you just need to click next and you put your first name, everything, and that's done. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.